Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can optimize video uploads on Slack. Maybe you want to turn on this optimization of video uploads on Slacks but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can do it. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. And then from here, tap on this view button at the lower right corner of your screen. And here you will see the preferences. Tap on these preferences and you'll be directed into this page. What you need to do is to scroll down and you will see this under advanced optimize video uploads. Videos are optimized for upload performance. To turn this on, simply toggle this button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can turn on optimized video uploads on Slack, that is the easiest way you know how. If you know another way on how you can turn on optimized video uploads on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.